tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and edit car wash or auto detail plans on your website. Let's go into Edit Site. I'm just going to open up a blank page. I have this sample page here. And we're going to go down to the page sections into car wash and detail and packages. We have a few different options here to choose from. We have a 3-wash package here, or a 4-wash package, and another one here with a little different formatting. We're just going to pull in this middle one and drop it right onto the page. You can see we can edit our title text here. If you want to edit one of these washes, you just click right on it, and you have all your editing options on the left. You can edit the title here. Maybe change the price. You can use the arrows or just type it in manually. Edit the notes here. It's going to be this text. And these items are all editable as well. You can just drag and drop to rearrange items, add new items. If we apply changes here, you can see that's updated. And if you want to delete an item, just hit the red X. Same thing for the other two. If you want to change the button here, just click right on it. You can change the button text. And maybe we want to link this to the contact page. You could maybe do a schedule appointment page. And you can always link to an external website as well. And that's it. Don't forget to save and publish when you're done.